What's up? How you doing? Thanks for joining me today. You already know we're gonna be talking about product empties. Intro is not needed. Let's go. Today, we talking about garbage. Not on fire because that's men. Just garbage. Stuff that I've used up. And I want to tell you whether I would buy this shit again or not. First things first, I'm the realist. So I'm going to start with hair products because they're like literally right down by my feet. And I want to. You've seen this before in my product empties because I wouldn't use any other kind of hair shampoo or conditioner. I use the PUREOLOGY Serious Color Care and the Hydrate. These last me literally about a year, if not more. I get it through my hairstylist because she hooks me up. These are damn expensive in the stores. But this is the best hair care. PUREOLOGY just wins my life. Also, speaking of hair and PUREOLOGY, I am forever obsessed with the PUREOLOGY Serious Color Care Color Fanatic. It's the 21 Essentials Spray. This is like God's milk for the hair. I don't know. It's amazing. It's great. This baby does it all. It protects you from heat. It detangles. It protects your hair from color fading. It creates silkiness. I could not brush my hair without this. So the last thing with hair is the AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I use this after a shower, after I put all my other products in, and I kind of whisk this in here before I brush it out. It's okay. Like, do I need it? No. Did I use it because I got it in the box? Yes. Is it nice? Yes. But AVEDA is like overly expensive, and I don't think it just does anything like phenomenal where I would want to purchase it again and again and again. We gonna go and move into shower care. Now, one product I still have because I hoarded the trash, and the other one I threw it away. Well, I recycled it. But so the one that I have is the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash for your lady bits. I've bought this probably like 30 times at this point. You can buy this at Target, which is usually where I pick it up when I go shopping at Target, you know, when you buy the whole freaking store. Worst case scenario, ordered online from their specific website if like Target doesn't have it. Love that stuff. It's great. It's awesome for sensitive skin. It just does a wonderful job, and I wouldn't put Summer's Eve or anything else down there. I think this is all natural ingredients. It's vegan. It's great. It's cruelty free. Love it. It's golden. The item that I don't have, and I'll insert a picture of it like right here. It is the Rio de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream body wash. I got it in a box, so I used it up, but it is not as spectacular as their Bum Bum Cream, so I don't feel the need to repurchase it. I think any body wash will do. I want to be more sustainable, so I'm probably gonna stop buying anything in plastic packaging and probably just go to like bar soaps that I can pick up in a sustainable store in town that's made in town. So for deodorant, I use the NUTRIBIOTIC deodorant with grapefruit seed extract and aloe. This also has tea tree in it. It looks like this. You can purchase this on Amazon or from their actual NUTRIBIOTIC website. There a lot of times are sold out of this because this is the bomb.com diggity like holy grail. I've bought this a million times. I will continue buying it. Their mango one is good, but it doesn't have tea tree oil in it, and tea tree oil is what basically kills the bacteria because you essentially have all of these bacterias on your body eating up all the oils that your body, you know, is expelling for your skin to be healthy. And the bacteria that eats it basically like poops, and that's on your skin. That is an actual fact. I'm not making this shit up. The tea tree oil is what kills it. That's also why when you take a shower you smell good, is because it rinses everything away. All right, so for skincare I have 5 products. I'm gonna start with my skincare. I have the True Botanicals Nourishing Cleanser and then the Pure Radiance Oil. I do want to point out that washing your face is essential, but what you're washing it with, I feel like maybe doesn't entirely matter. As long as you're getting something that isn't drying your face out, then you're golden, pony boy. But for me, who is a lazy girl who sometimes doesn't add extra stuff onto her face after, I just feel better using a cleanser that says it does things, and this doesn't break me out. It does a really good job of removing makeup and just oils and all of that jazz. So this little cleanser I would repurchase, and I actually already have repurchased because I'm that girl. I purchase things that I know I love before they run out, so I'm not like panicking and having anxiety about it. And then also on the True Botanicals type of roll, I have the Pure Radiance Oil. This is the specifically one for breakout prone skin, they have a couple of different ones. So this is the clear one. Yes, I would repurchase. Love it. Great. I stopped using any kind of other really like moisturizer type of thing. I just simply put this oil on my face and I am good to go. I love True Botanicals. It's my jam. Okay, so this is the TATCHA Silk Pony Eye Cream. It looks like this. It's super cute, super pleasant to the eyeball when you walk into the bathroom if it's on display. Does it do anything in particularly amazing that I've noticed? No, it's just like an eye cream, and I honestly, there's been weeks that I don't use it and there's not any significant difference, and this bitch is expensive, so this one's gonna be a no-go for me. Okay, so you know how I said I don't really put any other kind of moisturizer on my face? Yes, facts. But I did buy the Great Barrier Relief. This is the Skin Barrier Repairing Serum. So I guess it's not a cream, but it's a serum. But you can just put this on your face as a moisturizer if you want to. But what it does is kind of really make sure that whatever moisturizer you're putting onto your skin gets absorbed into the skin. And my skin is definitely way more supple. And sometimes if I'm feeling super lazy after washing my face, I'll just apply this because you can use it as a moisturizer and just like mosey on with your life. I would repurchase this again and again. And I actually purchased some more KRAVE items. I got the toner thing and the Beat sunscreen, so maybe I'll do a review on those. And then I just have a regular tea tree oil. This is Nature's Truth. I picked this up at like CVS. I again and again and again and forever for the rest of my life will be purchasing tea tree oil. I've bought this brand multiple times. It's on my face, on my breakouts, to dry them out essentially and to kill the bacteria, and it does a really good job, and I will forever do that. I feel like that's a little bit safer way and just more convenient way, because this is also really nice to diffuse, so you know, like 2 birds with 1 stone. Excuse me, train. You done? So this item is kind of like the one-off weird thing that is included that I don't really have a category for it. This is the NDULGE Natural Pain Relief. It is a CBD infused spray for pain, and let me tell you that this is God himself. I will be doing a whole video on how to survive periods from hell, because I have really bad periods. Like literally I have to hold on to things walking around sometimes because they're so bad. This is a lifesaver. This baby helps when medication doesn't, and it's topical. You spray it wherever you need it, so this is good for joint pain. My mom used it for joint pain. She gets really weird like shin pain from arthritis, and she used this at nighttime and was able to fall asleep, which is, bought some for her. She loves it. This is just a beautiful, beautiful product for pain, but it does have CBD in it, not THC, CBD, which also has pain relief properties. It is such a lifesaver when you're dying from pain every month. Love that. Great. Will continue to buy that for the rest of my life. All right, now the last couple of things ish are makeup related. So the first thing is Tarte Shape Tape. Obviously concealer, known by the world. Love it. Will continue to purchase it. Actually, I already have a replacement. Then I have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist. You can use this on your skin before makeup or after you do your makeup to like set it, but it really doesn't set it. It just mushes everything together. It makes your skin look natural. If this bitch was not so expensive, I would continuously have it. This is kind of like a splurge item for when I have more money laying around than I should, which like realistically is never. Would I repurchase it again? If I find it on sale, probably. I like this product. It does make the skin look really nice and dewy. It's what I have on my skin right now. It's just a good product, man. I think this is like really the only non-overhyped Tatcha product. Fight me. Then I have the Pat McGrath Layup Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection. This was literally my most used foundation for a long time. It's what I have on my face right now. It's a beautiful, it's great. Is there anything like it for cheaper? Yeah, probably. I don't think you need to specifically go for this, but it's just light and dewy, and it just looks good on your skin. It just really looks really freaking good, and it just looks good in photos. So, I'm torn on this. I will not be repurchasing until I use up all of my foundations and I have none left. But like, would I think twice about this? Yes. So when I'm done with everything else that I have, I might look into it and compare it with other things and see what I actually feel like getting at that time. Another foundation that I don't have is the Tom Ford Stick Foundation. I use the shit out of that too. The Tom Ford Stick Foundation is my favorite stick foundation. I would buy it strictly if I was looking for a stick foundation. So pigmented but not thick and cakey. You can't feel it on the skin. It's just beautiful. I'll insert a photo of it right here. It's also pretty. It's also $100. So I would also have to be like in a splurge mood, and definitely once all my foundations are gone. Last thing is I was doing my makeup today and I realized that these are old and like basically gone and crusty. These are the Stila glitters. I love them. I honestly love them and I will buy them again. Probably like gift sets around Christmas time because you get like these little babies and they're way more usable than the big ones. You have a little bit more variety of shade differences and you're not having to worry about using it all up before it dries up and kind of gets crusty. Definitely really love them. That's what's on the lid of my eyeballs today, and it just is a beautiful product and I love it, and it just, I feel like adds such a like oomph and like a feeling of like, wow, this girl tried today, when like really you just slap some glitter on your eyeballs and you're not having to worry with like glitter getting everywhere, and you don't have to worry about glitter glue, so it definitely cuts down on the things that you need to have. All right, so those are all of my product empties. That is all that I gotta tell you today. Now I can't wait to throw away all this trash that I've been hoarding, and I hope that you found this useful. If you try any of these products and you love them, let me know. If these are also your empties, let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.